What's up, guys? I am studying and edited yesterday's video, but whatever. I'm here for a couple things today. So, I am going to be leaving here shortly to go buy a MacBook. Editing on my phone for the past 9 months or so, and it's time to get a MacBook and start editing on that, because yeah, it's not fun. It's not fun using the phone all the time. I'd like to have a bigger view of what I'm doing and everything like that. So today, what I'm going to do, try and make this as sweet and short as possible. I'm going to try and wire up the fog lights. We'll see if they work. But yeah, I think I lost the wiring on this side, so that's why I'm gonna take off the bumper. See if we can find it. So here's this wiring harness. I assume that's for the fog lights. And on this side, I don't know where it went. There was a big ass wiring harness that had like the horn and all that shit, and then I just don't know where it went one day. Like, I think I ripped it off or something when I was driving, maybe. I, for the life of me, cannot find where that could have gone. I just broke my sunglasses. Yeah. Whatever. Idiot. So, all this shit is all fucking cut too. I think, yeah, this is it right here. This is the fog light harness. This yellow wire with the red stripe in it. That one's it. So, I'm gonna go and grab this shit. 9006. So yeah. These. I had to grab some more wire to go to run it down here. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab more supplies, cutters, things like that, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so I'll extend this harness real quick. Driver's side should be easy because I don't need to extend it. Just so you see what I'm seeing here, that is that. I'm gonna go ahead and heat shrink it now and then do the other one. Alright, so this shit's gonna get tricky because of where it's mounted at. where the harness was cut at, I should say. So here's the harness. It's kind of a tough space to work in. This keeps fucking popping off, and I'm gonna get really fucking mad about it. And I don't know where I'm gonna put the camera, but we're gonna do it anyway. Make sure you got your heat shrink in before you start soldering, because then you're fucked. Apparently I wasn't recording at all, so I got all this soldered up, heat shrunk, and everything. I'm gonna go ahead and before I even do the other side, I'm gonna go ahead and test the fog lights, see if I even wired up the right thing. And yes, I am just laying my bumper on the ground because I scraped that motherfucker anyway, so I don't care. I don't like to drive too aired up, so now need my keys. Be right back. So test them out. What do you know? Got fog lights. Alright, I'll wire up that one, clean all this shit up, and then, yeah, I will be right back. Alright, so, this is the other side. Got the same yellow round wire as the other side. That's how you know it's the fog light harness. Again, this is literally only because some idiot before me fucking decided that it was a smart idea to just cut the harness out instead of like tucking the wire away from whatever they were getting it away from. That's done. I'm gonna go ahead and get the bumper back on, get the rest of this shit cleaned up. I am gonna be, oh wow, that was fucking dumb. I am gonna go ahead and wrap all this up, make it look nice or whatever. Same for the other side. All that, all this, and all this shit back up. I don't know what any of this is, but a lot of exposed wires. I'm gonna cut them and tape them all up. I'll be back when the bumper's back on. There she is. Got the fog lights wired up. I am not a fan of yellow fog lights, so I will order bulbs or go buy some halogens. I don't care. I don't know yet what I'm gonna do. I don't know if I want HID or white LED. I hate LED, by the way, but for fog lights I don't care. I just go with halogens, to be honest. So yeah, that was wired up a lot easier than I expected, and I think it looks good. I think that's a look. So yeah, if you guys know how to simply wire the car to turn the fogs on when the headlights turn on without having to press the button every time, please let me know, because I'll forget and then it's just useless, because then I'll never run by my fogs. Yeah, drop a comment, let me know if you know the hack for that, because I'd like to know. Thanks again for watching. If you watch this, when it watches, or when it comes out, whatever, like, comment, subscribe, you know the deal. We'll see you guys next time.
When we slide, we stay tapping on doors. Ride on triple chrome, glide on them votes. Flip on a nigga around, baby, you in a row. Playing with these drums, cause I got them sticks. Trunk bumping in the street, screwed up with my click. Let them see.